Okay, doing some mulching and pull up a few stumps, and I pull up a lilac stump and there was a knob on it in the roots, so I took the opportunity to make a gear shift knob. If I can show it better somehow if I can find it. Where'd it go? Okay. And it cracked right down at the bottom where I put it on because it was too tight. It was too tight when I drilled it, but it's on there really tight. I epoxied it, but it's a gear shift knob. It's pretty cool looking. That looks pretty nice. Okay, this is the Volkswagen. I polished up the wood. Every year I figure you gotta condition it. It's all good.